this video, we'll be going over how to set up and use Firewalla MSP's newest feature, VPN Mesh. Thanks for choosing Firewalla. Firewalla VPN Mesh allows you to seamlessly connect all your boxes together. With VPN Mesh, devices and boxes at different sites can talk to each other as if they were in the same room. To start using VPN Mesh, you'll first need to create one. Do this by navigating to the VPN Mesh tab on the left-hand navigation bar. It's right under Target Lists. You'll see that I already have a mesh configured. Click Add Mesh Network in the right-hand corner to create a new mesh. Enter a name for your new network. I'll just call mine Example Mesh. Then select up to 3 boxes to be in your mesh. I'll select Firewalla, Office Purple 2, and SFO Firewalla Gold. Oops. Select Office Purple 1 then. Alright. Then just select Create, and your new VPN Mesh network will be generated in a few seconds. Here it is. Next, you'll need to create a couple of users and VPN devices to start using your mesh. Users are profiles within Firewalla MSP that help you organize and share VPN profiles with the people and devices who need to use them. For example, you can create users for employees, family members, clients, and more. To create a user, navigate to the Users tab on the left-hand navigation bar. It's right under Devices. So I already have a handful of users, but I'll make a new user for the purposes of this video. Click Create User in the top right corner. Then type in a name for your user. Just call mine VPN Mesh User. You can also enter an email for your user, which can be used to easily share VPN profiles with them. So you can help@firewalla.com. Once you're done, hit create and your new user will appear. Now we're ready to start using your new mesh. Navigate back to the VPN Mesh page, then click Add VPN Device next to your mesh. Enter a name for your VPN device. For example, we can write Example User Phone. Then assign it to a user. We just created a VPN Mesh user. If you have multiple meshes, you can choose which mesh the device belongs to. And you can also select the outbound policy if you want. Once you're done, click Add. And the VPN device should appear. I'll add another VPN device for my laptop. I can do this quickly by clicking on the plus sign that pops up next to each user. Now all that's left for you is to connect your devices to your mesh network using the VPN devices you just created. Click on any device, and next to VPN profile, you can see that you can download the profile. I'll connect my laptop and phone off screen. Okay, I just connected my devices to the VPN mesh. You can see that they're now active. I also switched around some of the boxes that belong to this mesh just for this tutorial video. So now that my devices are connected to the VPN mesh, they can seamlessly access other devices on the network, even though they're only connected to Firewalla, which is my personal Firewalla Gold. I can test that everything is working by doing a quick ping test with one of the other devices that's connected to a box in the network. The boxes that are currently in this mesh are Firewalla, SJC Firewalla Gold, and Office Purple 2. I'll find a device connected to Office Purple 2 by navigating to Devices and searching for Office Purple 2. Office Purple 2. Scroll down. Okay, this device, Airport Extreme, is active. If I click on it, I can see that it has a mesh domain that's exclusive to the mesh network I just created. I'll ping its mesh domain now using terminal. Copy that. Open terminal. Ping. Okay, you can see that the ping test is successful, which means that the VPN mesh has been set up successfully. If I add any other devices, they'll also be able to communicate with any other device or box on the network. And that's how you use Firewalla VPN Mesh.